Hi students, how are you? This is N. Srinivas Reddy, JL Commerce, TSWRJC Hatnora. Students, in this video I am going to discuss the how to calculate the goodwill regarding to the retiring partner and how to calculate the gaining ratio. Here in this chapter we are discussing the two problems. Initially one is the how to create the goodwill, second is created goodwill, it will be written off by the continuing partners. In this problem we are not doing the above two. Here we are calculate the retiring partners goodwill, and that amount will be created to divided to the gaining partners. So here we are directly write only one entry. It is the continuing partners to retiring partner, and in this problem we are learning that and how to calculate the gaining ratio. According to the gaining ratio only, old partners or the continuing partners share the goodwill of the continuing retiring partners. So here the problem, I will read the problem. Here star, sun, moon are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. So it is a ratio. If it show in the fraction 5/10 is to 3/10 is to 2/10 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 was as under. So here capital accounts star is 50,000, sun is 40,000, moon is 30,000, general reserve 20,000, trade creditors is 25,000, outstanding expense is 5,000. On the asset side, cash at bank is 26,000, bills receivable is 14,000, debtors is 40,000, stock 30,000, furniture 25,000, buildings 35,000. Two sides of the both is 1,70,000. Here moon retired from the business on the above date with the following terms. Goodwill of the firm value 20,000. So, and it is decided not to raise goodwill account in the books. So here we will calculate the goodwill of the retiring partners, that is the moon, and then we convert that amount to the remaining partners, that is the star and sun. So here the buildings value is revalued 42,000. So here the buildings value is 42,000. The previous or the book value is 35,000. So here the appreciation of buildings is 7,000. Provide for bad debts is 5% on debtors. So here the debtors is 40,000. 40,000 into 5/100 is equal to 2,000. So here the bad debts provision for bad debts is 2,000. Trade creditors need not pay 1,000. So it is a profit because we are not paying the outstandings. Stars and future profits are equal, so they are sharing future profits is 1:1, or if it shows in the fraction 1/2 is to 1/2. Amount due to moon will be transferred to his loan account with 12%. Here the 12% interest per annum. So they are asking to prepare necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet of a new firm. So students, now we are going to prepare calculation of gaining ratio. Here the calculation of gaining ratio. First of all, now we change the ink. Now I am going to blocking. So here calculation of gaining ratio of continuing CONTI continuing partners. So first of all, gaining ratio, how to calculate the gaining ratio. Here the gaining ratio is equal to new profit ratio minus old profit ratio. So here the new profit ratio of uh, star is equal to 1/2 minus 5/10 is equal to 10. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0/10. So it is a new. Next is new profit ratio of the sun is equal to 1/2 minus 3/10 is equal to, it is the 10, it is the 5 minus 3 is equal to 2/10. So here the no gaining ratio for the star. He is not gaining any, no gaining ratio, only sun gained 2%. So that here the share of goodwill will be payable to retiring partner. So here the retiring partner is retiring partner. Who is the retiring partner? Is continuing partners is the star, sun and moon. Moon is the retiring partners. Here the moon's share, they decide 20,000 of goodwill. So his share is 2%, 5:3:2. So its share is 4,000. So retiring partners goodwill is 4,000. That will be payable to the, who is the payable? Sun. Sun will be payable, because here the gaining ratio is 0:2. That's why here the gaining partner is the sun only. That's why retiring partners goodwill is payable by the sun only. So next is the journal entries. So now we fill it: date, particulars, LF, number, debit rupees, credit rupees. First is revaluation account. Revaluation account, debtor to provision for bad debts. Already we can calculate in the bad debts accounts, that is 2,000. Next one is buildings account, debtor to revaluation account, that is 7,000. Already it is also explained in the problem when I explained the problem. Next is the trade creditors. It is its value is decreased, that's why it is also profit. Trade creditors account, debtor to revaluation account, it is 1,000. Now we write the entry is goodwill account. So is the gaining partner is only sun. That's why sun capital account, debtor to retiring partners capital account, moon's capital account, that is 4,000. Goodwill Next one is general reserve account. Here the general reserve account debtor to all the partners account, that is star capital account, sun capital account to moon capital account. So it is a 20,000. So distributed three partners is 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. So it is a general entries. Now we are going to prepare the revaluation account. So here the credit side, here the 2 is the credit side, that is buildings. By buildings account, it is appreciated by 7,000. Next is trade creditors is decreased by trade 1,000. Next is provision for bad debts. Here the provision for bad debts is 2,000. So difference is 6,000. Difference is 6,000. This amount will be distributed among the partners on 5:3:2 ratio to star account, to sun account, to moon account. So on the ratio of 5:3:2, that is 3,000, 1,800 to 1,200. 6,000 into 5/10, 6,000 into 3/10, 6,000 into 2/10. So this is the 3,000, this is the 18,000, this is the 12,000. Next we are going to prepare the capital accounts. So here the capital accounts is, first is star rupees, sun rupees, moon rupees. Star rupees, sun rupees, moon rupees. By balance, here the balance of cap partners is 50,000, 40,000, 30,000. Next one is by revaluation account, that is 3,000, 1,800, 1,200. By general reserve, that is 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. All adjustments is over. Next we are going to enter the these goodwill adjustment. So sun capital account, so it is credited to the moon. I will write the bracket goodwill. Here we are directly write the entry, not creation and the written off. Here moon capital account, so that is debited into the star capital account. So now we are tallying the two sides. So 63,000, 47,800, 39,200. these 39,000, 47,800, 63,000. So the 39,000 transferred to his 12% loan account. So balance, to balance here 63,000, 43,800. It is the capital account, students. Next we are going to prepare the balance sheet, that is liabilities rupees total, rupees assets, rupees total, rupees. So first of all, cash at bank. Here the cash at bank is 26,000. Next, bills receivable. Here the bills receivable is 14,000. Next one is debtors. Here the debtors is 40,000 less provision, that is the 2,000, 38,000. Next one is the stock, 30,000. Next one is the furniture. Here the furniture amount is 25,000. Next one is buildings. Here the buildings is 35,000. Add appreciation. Here the appreciation of building is 7,000. So total is 42,000. Here the liability side, capitals. Next, star, sun. Star is 63,000. Sun is 43,800. So it is a 1,06,800. Next is trade creditors. Trade creditors here is 25,000 less need not paid 1,000. So this is a 24,000. Next is outstanding expenses. Here is the 5,000. Next is 12% loan of Moon is 39,200. Total is over. So liabilities is 1,75,000. Here is also 1,75,000. So this is the balance sheet, students. In this method, so here in the retirement of the partners, we are preparing